Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. This video will help you practice some A1 level English questions and answers. So, I'm super excited to help you practice your English speaking skills. If you're ready, grab a notebook, sit comfortably, and let's have some fun together. Alright guys, I'll ask you some simple questions just like in a real conversation and then give you time to answer. Don't worry about getting it perfect, just speak out loud and I'll help you with the answers after. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident speaking in English. Let's jump in. Before we start, let me explain how this will work. I'll ask a question and you'll have a few seconds to think about your answer or say it out loud. You'll see a little timer like this after each question, so you know how long you have to think. Ready? Okay, let's begin. Here's the first one.
What's your name? Great! You could say something like, my name is Sarah, or maybe I'm Tom. Easy, right? Let's try another one. How old are you? An example answer could be like, I'm 25 years old. Or you could easily say, I'm 25. Awesome! Let's move on. Where are you from? You could say something like, I'm from Iran, or I'm from Brazil. Wherever you're from, it's great to be here learning together. Okay, let's go a little deeper. Here's the next question. What do you do? What do you do? And that means, what's your job? Or what do you study? You could answer with, I'm a teacher, or I'm a student. And if you don't work or study, you could also say, I'm looking for a job, or I stay at home. Now, what do you do? Practice saying it out loud. Here's a fun one. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? This is something people often ask in simple conversations. An example could be, my favorite color is blue, or I like red. Now, what's your favorite color? Let me know in the comments below. Now, let's practice talking about your daily routine. These questions help you talk about your day and the things you do regularly. Here's the question. What time do you wake up? You could say something like, I wake up at 6 a.m. or I wake up early at 5 a.m. Great job! What do you usually have for breakfast? You might answer, I usually have eggs. Or, I like to have toast and coffee. Delicious! Now, let's talk about your hobbies. These questions are great when you're getting to know someone. Here's the question. What do you like to do in your free time? You might say, I like reading books, or I love playing soccer. And if you're into Netflix, you could say, I love or I enjoy watching TV shows. Here's another fun one. Do you play any sports? You could say, I play tennis, or I don't play any sports, but I like watching them. Either way, it's great to be active. Next, let's practice some simple descriptions. These questions help you describe the things around you. Here's the question. Can you describe your house? You might say, I live in a small house with 2 bedrooms. Or, my apartment is in the city center. It doesn't have to be fancy, just simple descriptions.
You've done an amazing job so far. Before we end, I have a challenge for you. Can you answer this last question? What's your favorite hobby? Try answering in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll reply to as many as I can. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you next time. Bye!